Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we are gonna talk about none other than Bangtan Sonyeondan and our BTS boys. BTS is a 7-piece Korean pop group who has been hitting various music charts for many times. Aside from that, they also keep on bagging different awards from the industry. Guess what? BTS isn't no longer just popular in the local but even in the worldwide. With that, numerous fans have been watching their official music videos, with 4 of it having over 400 million views. What's much amusing, million copies of their album has already been sold. RM, the leader of BTS, mentioned before that his mother was hesitant of allowing him to become a rapper. Gladly he convincing his mother later on. BTS V has shared in interview that he came from a very poor family. Accordingly, he was raised by a family of farmers. Visualize himself back then as a farmer as well if he isn't a member of the group. BTS debuted album Too Cool for Schools and debut song No More Dreams. Being a Korean pop idol, it is not as easy as many people think. People who aspire to be idols must get into a company, whether it be auditioning or being scolded. After auditioning, the person must work hard and train for many years before they can even debut, and even after debuting, their success is never guaranteed for the group. BTS before over our 7 loving members, there were other people who were supposed to debut under BTS and Big Hit. But BTS went through a lot of changes for it to be the 7 man we know now, and after debating with Big Hit, BTS went through a hard time since they did not come from the top 3 companies, which would make it harder for them to succeed in Korea. And at the first, it did not go well. After debut, BTS did not have it easy. Not only was their company suffering financially, and so were all the 7 boys had to share one dorm and never had enough money to hire sets and actors. Then, as the humans were also going through a lot of struggles, Yoongi suffered from a depression, and at a accusations of plagiarism or cheating made the boys extremely self-conscious. All the things that were happens were in November 2013, a Korean rapper started disrespecting BTS because of the fact that they were told that they were not real rappers. In 2013 to 2014, they were cut from many broadcast performances, shortened, and many more time never uploaded. In 2014, they were accused of plagiarizing of a concept. In July 2015, BTS received a lot of death threats during their tour. During many years, the boys went through hashtags of plagiarism or attacking the boys' looks. Breakwing Project was a project in which many fandoms got together to destroy one of BTS' comeback. But BTS has grown so much, has had so much success in the recent years, from getting Billboard Awards, invited to the Grammys, and have become the artists with the most they sung. They have grown so much and have helped armies dealing with life situations. Their music has changed many lives and will keep changing life. For that, I will always be extremely grateful to my voice.